The fifth core element that I included when raising my prices super high was to do what I call a value evaluation. This means identifying all of the value that you bring your customers. What is the value you have brought since day one? And what is the value you have added since they started working with you or since you last set your prices? If I'd added some new security gates for safety reasons, if I added some enrichment games or agility course, things for them to jump on or climb through or whatever, that is something I did to add to the value that they didn't even pay for until now when I'm raising my prices. So you're basically pointing out how much extra they got since they started working with you, and they didn't even pay for it because it's just a bonus since you last changed your prices. Does that make sense? If you rehabilitate dogs, if you help them with any kind of reactivity on leash, all of these things are value that you can list out. So sit down, get a pen and paper, grab a cup of joe, and write out all of these value added benefits, value based benefits that you bring with your service, whether it's for the pet owner or the pet. And don't forget to include all of the tools and supplies and, agility gear, whatever it is. If you get a special dog collar that's like a GPS tracking or something, right? That's huge. Add that in so that they see that you're continuously giving them more value than they even agreed to pay for at first. Chances are you're going to be really surprised at how many benefits, how much value you truly bring to your customers when you do this.